What's going on, YouTube? Jordan Fenwick here. I just want to show you guys the setter script we use to hit people in the DMs and take them from cold, not really knowing who you are, all the way to a book call, right? And if you guys want to know the script we use after we book the call, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we have that video coming up as well. But understand step one of the messaging is making sure that they're aware that you exist, right? This is your initial connection. Step two is going to be the cold phase. It's going to be the introduction and value without pitching. Step three is going to be the warm phase, building rapport and identifying needs. Step four is going to be the hot phase where you're presenting the offer. And then the only other phase outside that is just follow up, re-engaging, start conversations, right? So starting from the top with number one, it's real simple. Hey, whatever the prospect's name is, I came across your profile and noticed your impressive work in whatever industry or niche, right? And this is just one of our scripts that we use for my company specifically, right? So you'll be able to tweak this for your own. But, always great to connect with fellow consultants and coaches, simply because that's my niche. That's what I'm going after. But this is going to apply if your clients are realtors. Always good to connect with fellow realtors. If you're going against MedSpa, always great to connect with fellow MedSpa owners, right? So obviously, the book's Think and Grow Rich. It takes thinking. So just think, tweak the script for your own purposes, right? But the purpose of this first message is just to establish a connection without pitching. You need to keep it light and relevant to their background. All right. Step two is the cold phase. All right. Introduction and value without pitching. So it sounds something like, hey, name, thanks for connecting. I see you're doing some amazing work with whatever details that you can get from their profile. So it's not just copy and pasting things. Like you actually go do some research, but it's going to increase the response rate when they understand it's not a bot and you're actually using specifics. Like, oh, it's a real person sending me a DM. Now they're more likely to actually respond. I said, hey, I run a company called doublemydeals.com, and we help coaches and consultants 2x their sales in as little as 90 days. Now, I'd love to hear what's currently working for you and where you're looking to grow this year, right? So it's like we mention what we do, but we're not pitching saying, hey, are you interested in doing this stuff? Like, hey, this is me. Now let me know more about you. See, the purpose of this is to give a brief intro, mention your value proposition casually, and prompt a conversation about their goals. Then we'll go to three, the warm phase, where you're building rapport and identifying needs. So it sounds like, all right, cool, great to hear it. It sounds like you're already making strides. Out of curiosity, are you focusing more on scaling up new client acquisition or boosting existing sales? I'm always interested in how other coaches and consultants are navigating growth these days. And the purpose of this is to transition to more specific questions around their business needs to identify areas that you could help with. And this helps reveal pain points without appearing to be too salesy, right? Hey, real quick, I know I'm interrupting your video. Hate to do it, but something amazing just happened. I just launched my book, Mastering Objections, Turning No into Yes, and I'm telling you guys, this is probably the most practical sales book you'll ever read, particularly in the part of sales that throws everybody off, handling objections. I dare you, find a better book. See, you'll be able to go through this book. Doesn't matter what page you open up to, you're going to get game. I give you my scripts, all my word tracks, verbatim on how to handle any objection, all the toughest objections you could think of with class, without being pushy, without being manipulative, just using absolute skills. I've been able to close millions of dollars of deals with these scripts, and they can be yours absolutely free. Just pay the shipping costs. Just click the link in the description. It can be yours. Back to the video. And once they open up, now we get to go to phase four, which is the hot phase, where you can actually present an offer, right? So based on what you shared, I think we could make a real impact. One of our clients in related industries saw a 2x boost in just 3 months using our whatever your specific method is. If you're open to it, I'd be happy to jump on a quick call and share some insights that could help you hit your sales targets faster. No strings attached, just value. Right. So now they don't feel like they're going to, hop on this call, be pressured and try to be sold, whatever. Make it easy for them to say yes. so we can jump into a 15-minute triage call. Like I said, if you guys are interested in how those calls go, we got a video coming for that, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. But the purpose of this message is to emphasize your results and offer a low pressure call, highlighting specific strategies relevant to their situation. And at any point in the conversation, if they ghost you, that's when you use the follow up, to re-engage with them. Hey, name, just circling back here. I know things get busy, smiley face emoji. If, growing your sales is still a priority, I'd love to see if we could brainstorm some ideas together, right? And this just keeps the conversation active without being pushy. Acknowledge their busy schedule and reiterate your value. So this is the script we use day and night to just fill appointments onto the calendar. Just put appointments after appointments after appointments after appointments after appointments. Super effective, really valuable. So here's the script. You can use it. If you guys want to know what the call sounds like after that, stay tuned because that video will be up next. Catch you guys there.